Good morning viewers. Today I'll show you guys a very special unit in Foresta in Bandar Glo Damansara. This is a 1,004 square feet. Comes with maid's rooms and a maid's rooms bathroom. So in total there are 3 plus 1 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The main highlight of this condo here is it's very exclusive. Location is very quiet and private next to the Damansara Reserve Forest. Very spacious layout. So very suitable for raising a family, hosting friends. These are the sizes of the rooms. The shared bathroom. And finally the master bedroom. Again with that limestone hill view that you can wake up to every morning.